Before buying a jump starter, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Clore Automotive JNC 660. Let's kick things off with the Clore Automotive Jump and Carry JNC 660. Priced competitively, this device caught my attention with its impressive 1700 peak amps and the reliability of its lead-acid battery. If you want serious power to jumpstart anything from cars to RVs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This jumpstarter is built with a 22Ah Clore Proformer battery designed specifically for jumpstarting. That means no more struggling to get your vehicle going when you need it most. The included 46-inch heavy-duty cables ensure a solid connection, and the onboard voltmeter lets you check the battery status at a glance. Whether you're in the middle of nowhere or just in your driveway, having those 1700 peak amps can be a game changer during emergencies. Now, some people complained about its weight, saying it can be cumbersome to carry around. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for pure power, that weight translates into durability and performance. It's not the most portable option, but it's a workhorse when you need it. This is perfect for you if you frequently work with larger vehicles or just want peace of mind. Skip this one if you need something lightweight for quick trips. For its price and performance, it's a solid investment. Now, if the weight of the JNC 660 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Gulu A5 Jumpstarter with air compressor. Next up is the Gulu A5 Jumpstarter with air compressor. This compact kit is a real multitasker at a reasonable price. If you want a jump starter that also inflates tires and charges your devices, this is worth a serious look. The Gulu A5 packs a punch with a whopping 4,000 peak amps, capable of starting gas engines and even diesel engines up to 10.0 liters. The built-in air compressor is a standout feature, inflating a standard tire from 30 to 36 psi in just 30 seconds. Plus, the 20,000 milliamp-hour capacity means you can jumpstart your car up to 50 times on a single charge. That's convenience you can't ignore, especially during road trips. Some reviews mention that the air compressor can be a bit noisy. While that's true, it's also powerful. You're not just getting a jump starter, it's like having a mini service station in your trunk. This is perfect for those who want an all-in-one solution for emergencies and roadside assistance. Skip this one if you just need a simple jump starter without the extra features. For what it offers, it's a fantastic deal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for power and portability.
Product number 3, Gulu GP4000. Our third pick is the Gulu GP4000 Jumpstarter. This one is a powerhouse, also priced effectively. If your primary need is a device that can jumpstart just about anything reliably, this is worth a serious look. The GP4000 boasts 4,000 peak amps and can start all gas engines and diesel engines up to 10.0 liters. What's great about this model is its built-in safety features, including spark-proof technology and protection against reverse polarity. This means you can connect it without worrying about messing things up. It's compact, making it a portable solution that fits easily in your glove compartment. However, a few users pointed out that it lacks a built-in air compressor. Now, some might see this as a deal breaker, especially if you want that all-in-one functionality. But here's the thing, if you already have a separate air compressor or don't mind carrying a lightweight unit with you, this is a minor drawback. This is perfect for anyone who wants a reliable jump starter and doesn't mind keeping a separate compressor around. Skip this one if you need a multi-tool solution. Given its power and safety features, it's a solid value. Next, if you want something that combines multiple functions in a compact size, let's check out the next product.
Product number 4, Dory 6000A Jumpstarter with air compressor. It's a bit pricier, but if you want the ultimate in power and versatility, this is definitely worth a serious look. This jumpstarter features an outrageous 6,000 peak amps, making it suitable for just about any vehicle, including heavy-duty trucks and boats. The built-in 150 psi air compressor is quick,
inflating a tire from 0 to 20 psi in about 2 minutes. Plus, it has a built-in power bank for charging your devices, making it a great companion for road trips. However, some reviews mention that the design feels a bit bulky compared to others. While it may not be the most compact option, the power it provides in emergencies more than compensates for this. This is perfect for road warriors who need a capable jump starter and a tire inflator in one unit. Skip this one if you prioritize a lightweight device. It definitely gives you a lot for your money with its multifunctional features. Now, if you're looking for a jump starter that you can leave connected to your car permanently, the last one on our list is a unique solution.
Product number 5, Ansel BS200 Super Starter. Last but not least is the Ansel BS200 Super Starter. Priced at $159.99, this is a game changer for those who want a jump starter that stays connected to their vehicle. If you want a hassle-free solution that works automatically, this is worth a serious look. The BS200 delivers a solid 700 amp peak current, capable of starting a variety of vehicles, and it connects directly to your battery for continuous monitoring and maintenance. It's designed to last, operating perfectly from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you're protected regardless of the weather, and it doesn't have any internal battery to worry about, which dramatically reduces risks like swelling or fire. However, a few users expressed concern over the installation process, mentioning it can be tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's installed, you can forget about it. It actively maintains your battery and is always ready when you need it. This is perfect for those who hate the inconvenience of portable jump starters. Skip this one if you're looking for something that you can easily carry around. For its innovative technology and peace of mind, it's a wise investment. To sum up, each of these jump starters offer unique features for different needs. In conclusion, the Core JNC660 is great for heavy-duty needs. The Gulu A5 shines in versatility. The GP4000 is reliable and powerful. The Dory 6000A is all about extreme performance. And the Ansel BS200 is perfect for those who want a connected solution. Each one has its strengths, so choose based on what matters most to you.